Welcome to Section 6, Video 6, Building our level and packaging our project for shipping. In this video, we are going to build our level and package and test our project. First, we are going to build our level, but before we start, I invite you to pause the video and see if you would like to design your level again using these new gameplay elements that we've added. So now, to build our level, this is the process of generating lighting and geometry if this hasn't been done so already. In the top toolbar, where it says build, we can select this and it will automatically handle building the lighting and geometry for us, which may take a little while. In the drop-down panel, we have build lighting, and we can also select the lighting quality. If we want production, it will take the longest, but it will look the prettiest, that type of thing. Preview is what we're using now. Update reflection captures, which is something from our modes panel. And if we go into the visual effects, and we have planar reflection, box reflection, sphere reflection, we can place these into the level, like so, and they add a sort of prettiness to the level, which is such as reflections and such. So, we can also build geometry, build navigation paths for AI and such, build our LODs, texture streaming, etc. In this case, we're going to update our reflection captures, and then we're going to build our lighting. This may take a little while. Once it has finished that, just select build, so it handles building for everything. You usually want to build lighting first because it's going to give you errors and some things won't properly build because of that. So, now that it's finished building, select Save All. Let's save selected. And now we're going to package our project. So if we go to the top left in File, and then Package Project, Windows 64-bit, and once you have selected your package location, it will take a while to package, but we're just going to set the location for our package project, which is specifically where you would like it on your computer. In this case, I'm going to place it in a folder called Builds, and then I'm going to make a new folder and name this Packed folder. And you should have a name under here, otherwise it won't work. So I'm going to select that folder, and now it's going to package for the project, which is going to take a little while. So pause the video, and when it finishes, resume the video. Once it has finished packaging our project or our game, let's go to the location of our packaged game. Let's open the folder that we placed it in, and it will show up with a name such as Windows No Editor or a general specific name that Unreal has to make for our packaged projects, which in this case for Windows, it's going to be Windows without the editor, which is just without the Unreal Engine editor. So let's open that, and we'll have a bunch of files and folders and such. The only one we want to use for running our executable or game is the .exe or the application. So double click on that, and it should load up in full screen, which is what we have specified because that's the default for Unreal's package builds. You would have to specify in code if you want it to be in windowed and such. So let's actually test this. Let's select Start Game. Alright. We seem to be able to shoot. We can jump. We can sprint. I walk over to the explosive barrels, shoot them, and I take damage and they both get destroyed. I can pick up health. I can talk to our character here, who just says one thing. Our cube can bounce around and he says hello. We can also shoot him. We can open our door. And I placed our level ending actor next to this chair and set the level to open the main menu. So it should open that, which it did. Let's start it again and test our pause menu by hitting the escape key or the backspace key. And it seems we can pause our game and resume it. Quit to main menu. Let's start the game, and let's quit to desktop via our pause menu. And it all seems to work. So in summary for this course, we've learned about the basics of C++, learned the basics of Unreal Engine 4 with C++, created our player character, added our gameplay elements, created our interaction system, and packaged and built our project. I hope you've enjoyed learning from this course. I've enjoyed teaching you how to code C++ within Unreal Engine 4, and I hope you have a wonderful day.